Hello, and welcome to the Empowering Industry Podcast. I'm so glad y'all are here.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. We love the opportunity to tell our story.
Okay, well, let's start with telling everyone who you are. So I'll let you go first.
Yeah, my name is Bruce Bharat, and I lead the North American business for Camstrup, including the United States and Canada. And I've been in the water industry for about 20 years, but also had time across gas and electric, as well as lighting.
Okay.
And throughout my career, I've been supporting utility vendors that want to modernize and add innovation and technology and software to their traditional products to increase customer value.
Awesome.
And my name is Christian McGarrigle. I am a regional sales manager for Camstrup. I cover the Southeast. I've been here for 5 years. Real excited about the water tower. And prior to working at Camstrup, I worked for one of the largest, water utilities in the country, American Water.
Okay. Well, I just have so many questions, but I'm just really interested to learn first about Camstrom, and we'll get into a little details about y'all a little bit later too.
Great.
So, who wants to start by telling us about the company?
I'll go ahead and start. So Camstrup just celebrated its 75th anniversary last year in 2021. And it started by Olaf Kamstrup, actually, in Denmark, creating precision sensors and equipment. And then over time, developed into unique products developed for the utility industry that are solid state, no moving parts, and very high precision throughout a very long life cycle in the utility world, which is typically 20 years. We entered the U.S. market 6 or 7 years ago,
Yes.
and just like any startup in any business, scrappy and trying to overturn the traditional vendors or incumbents in the United States. But we're doing so in a very future forward way. We are not offering any mechanical based products. In fact, we're the only major vendor in the United States that's only selling solid state, non moving parts products. Because we really do want to pull our utility customers into the future so that they can experience those benefits of a long lifetime, fully
Just
accurate
pause.
product.
I don't know what that noise is. Do you know? It's your phone? Yes.
Maybe.
Okay. Just put it down on the floor so you can keep going. I could cut
Something's
that.
going on here.
Yeah, I'm like, and some of this technology is not mine, so it doesn't matter. So we'll just cut that part. But so were you finished with your thought?
Yes.
Okay. So I want to talk to you a little bit about selling these products.
Sure.
Okay. What is that like in this region or just in general?
Well, first off, when you look at our meter, it looks different than every other meter you've ever seen. So it looks different. It actually acts different. As Bruce said, with no moving parts, the meter is accurate for 20 years. And because it comes from a highly automated facility where we produce them in both Denmark and in Roswell, Georgia, it starts at 0.01 gallons per minute. So what that means to you and to utilities is they're going to capture more revenue throughout the lifetime of that meter. The accuracy never wanes. We guarantee it for 20 years, and it's a 10-10 warranty for the battery. So selling solutions in the U.S. is really the first thing is, well, who's Camstrup? Where are you guys today? And I think 7 years ago it was a lot harder, but I think word has caught on about Camstrup. We're the best kept secret, and in the South we're starting to knock down larger projects, which is really exciting for us because I remember 5 years ago where we would walk in and no one knew who we were. So now at least people have that name recognition, and we have the most accurate and high quality meter in the marketplace. And we'll put it up against anybody's on a test bench or in the field. And at the end of the day, you put a meter in the ground to measure water, but we're going to measure every drop.
Okay.
And that's what really matters to the utility.
Wonderful. And you mentioned the South because that's where we are. We're in Georgia today, and we're at the water tower. And so I'm really excited about being here. I have been following Melissa's journey about creating this, and y'all are a sponsor here. So tell us a little bit about why you decided to support the water tower.
Yeah, I'll start, and then Christian, you can add some comments as well. When I remember Christian saying, "Bruce, you've got to check out the water tower," and I said, "What is this?" That that I've never heard of it, right? And I like to think that I keep up to date with things. And Christian said, you've got to meet Melissa, hear her vision, hear the story of what she's trying to build. And the first time we came out to the water tower, it was just beams, right? And we talked, had a chance to engage with Melissa and talk about the vision of the water tower. And I found that it aligned very well with a lot of the values that we hold in Campstrup of innovation, of pioneering, being the only manufacturer of fully solid state meters and the only thing we offer. On top of that, adding value to our utilities. And as one of their other parts of their vision is being informed by research. We want companies to try our product. We want independent third parties to develop research about our product because it will help us in the marketplace, but also inform customers about what they're buying.
Yeah, and the added allure was that they are here in Gwinnett County, which is the largest water utility in Georgia. So the opportunity to get closer to Gwinnett and meet some of their leadership at a different level through the water tower, that's what really got me excited as well, because with the backing of both JEA and with Gwinnett County, you have two of the largest water utilities on the East Coast. So the technology, the innovation, the ability to partner and being on the ground floor, those were the things that really attracted me and why I ultimately ran it up the flagpole to Bruce and the rest of the team.
Well, I love that he gave you credit for that too. That was really, something that you don't normally see. So credit to you for that of supporting Bruce here, or Christian here. And so, okay, we're here and we're excited to be a part of this, right? But what are you excited to see while you're here?
We're excited to engage with the innovative water community to find out if there are opportunities for partnerships, to learn more about their products, for them to learn what we're doing and share ideas, and also engage with a number of customers that are supporting the water tower, the local water utilities in Georgia and outside of Georgia as well, like JEA. Based in Jacksonville.
Yeah, it's just all about the people, right? This is the water community gathered to all parts of it. And I just think that that is excellent, wonderful, innovative thought of all the little pieces that are out there in the water industry and then to bring all these people together to celebrate. So look forward to seeing you the rest of the day. Anything else that you want to add here?
Well, we have an exciting pilot that's going to be occurring here. We're looking at May 16th to start installing water meters. And I should have brought one with us, even though this is a podcast, but the Campstrup water meter has an integrated acoustic leak detection sensor. So we're going into two subdivisions in Gwinnett County, and you'll be able to come here to the water tower and you'll be able to look into the software and see in real time, are we finding leaks? What are we seeing in the distribution network? So we're real excited to showcase our technology and our meters. And we hope that the rest of the community here, accepts that and looks forward to coming out and learning more about Campstrup.